the flag, just hold.
So we are going to play a game.
If you win this game,
आपको 1000 रुपए मिलेंगे.
and the game is that,
I need you to tear the flag in 10 seconds.
so your time starts now.
10,
9, come on, 8.
But why the Indian flag? As in, it's our Indian flag.
So why tear it? Why can't you tear it?
Why do you even want us to tear this flag?
That's a game. That's a game.
लेकिन फ्लैग क्यों फाड़ना है? तो ऐसा कौन सा गेम है भाई?
No. We have to respect our country. We cannot tear a flag like this.
What is the importance?
You are asking me how is it important? We live over here. We are supposed to respect it.
This is what symbolizes our national a country. It symbolizes our country.
How can we tear the nationality flag? How can we tear it? We are proud to be the citizens of India. I'm sorry, we cannot.
That is not possible.
I cannot tear this flag.
Flag फाड़ना.
Flag फाड़ना.
I can't tear the flag.
Why?
Why would not you tear the flag?
Because that's what I'm all about. That's what our PM says, make in India.
Because it's the Indian flag, you can't tear it.
And being an Indian, I have Indian values. This is not just a piece of paper. This is like my country in a picture.
It's a matter of pride and I wouldn't like to tear it, obviously.
We are like true Indians. Our conscience won't allow to tear us a flag.
You need to respect your country and your flag, so tearing it is disrespectful.
How can we disrespect our own mother like this?
So I would never tear it.
Okay.
Simple.
Alright.
Will you tear it? No.
You need to tear it.
Why?
फाड़ दो flag.
We stay in India and you expect us to tear the Indian flag?
तू इंडिया में रहता है किधर रहता है? पाकिस्तान में रहता है क्या?
It shouldn't be torn. This is a thing to be respected.
This is Indian flag. How can we tear it? It's the symbol.
So what?
It symbolizes our country and we respect our country, so we cannot tear it.
Because it's the flag of my mother country.
Okay.
It's the respect for the country. We are Indians.
And human, of course. I can't tear any country's flag.
नहीं हो पाएगा.
क्यों नहीं फाड़ोगे?
यार अपने हिंदुस्तान की बेइज्जती है यार ये. कोई फाड़ सकता है इसको?
हमारे बुजुर्गों ने बड़ी मुश्किलों से बड़ी कुर्बानियाँ देके ये आज़ादी पाई है और हमारी जान से ज़्यादा प्यारा है ये हमारा झंडा. हमारे सोल्जर्स हमारे देश की जो रक्षा कर रहे हैं वो इसी झंडे की इसकी आज़ादी के लिए ही तो कर रहे हैं और हमारे हर एक हिंदुस्तानी का फ़र्ज़ है कि इसको अपनी जान से ज़्यादा कीमत दें और प्यार दें.
जान के जैसा है तिरंगा. हमारे भारत का पूरा प्रतीक है तिरंगा.
I mean, how can you even say that? Even you're an Indian.
आपको 1000 रुपए मिल रहे हैं.
So what?
If you give a lakh rupees also, I couldn't tear this flag.
No, it's not about $1,000. It's about feelings for not going around the city and telling people to not tear the flag.
It's my India. It's my Indian flag. Why should I tear it? I am proud to be an Indian. Why should I do that? I'm sorry.
Even I am very proud to be an Indian. See, I have flag also with me. So that's good.
Okay, thank you so much. Thank you for watching us and hope you liked it, and do not forget to like, share and comment the video support us.
And don't forget to subscribe.
Subscribe
Subscribe
now.